Welcome back, guys and girls. Well, today it's a little bit after Christmas, and for once it's not raining. It's about 47 degrees out here in Missouri, and I decided to finally get off my butt and instead of watching YouTube videos, get out, do some work, and maybe make one. So anyways, this is one of today's projects. This is a Simplicity 4040, and I've got the hood off currently because it's hard to get to the battery and everything. And the guys that have these tend to run bigger batteries because you need a lot of power to turn the starters on these things. They have a twin Onan engine unless they've been repowered, and that is a thing a lot of guys do because the Onans are kind of a pain to work on. You literally have to pull this engine to work on the starter, which is under the oil filter. They're okay engines when they run really good, but you know, most of these old tractors were made in the, I think, mid 80s or earlier, and this one I'm not sure the age on it. I'd say it's probably late 70s, early 80s. It's been in the family for over 25 years. It's been passed around. So anyways, so I got to get this thing up and moving because the neighbor is having a crew come in and tear out this old fence that is literally falling apart. You can see I've got junk leaned up against it just to keep it standing. And so I'm having to move some of my junk so that the crew can come in here and install a new chain link fence. But before that happens, this is an old box blade that the neighbor girl and I threw together one day as a project, and it's worked pretty good, but I was doing some really hard dragging with it a while back, and I broke my crappy welds right here. Also broke loose my ripper bar down here. So gonna have to do some welding. I'm gonna clean that up, probably put these pieces here in, which I've already chopped some off of for another project, but these are headboard mounts for your bed. I think that'll give me plenty of extra room or extra material. But first I got to get the thing closer to the garage, so I need to air up the tires. So let's get on to this. Well, guys, the box blade is repaired. The old tractor is moved out of the neighbor's way, and I can yank the battery out of it, cover it back up till spring. I think I'm done. I'll put up the tools, cover it all up, and I think it's time to go in, get some food, and watch more of your guys' videos. Thanks for watching.